Hello, I welcome you all to Solve Math. My name is George Cantrip. Yes, today we are looking at another question on the topic equation with a letter on both sides of the equal to sign. Yes, what do we have here? We have solve for x. In the equation, 3 into bracket x plus 1 bracket close is equal to 4 into bracket x plus 1 bracket close. Yes, you know what to do, right? First, we have to write our solution. Good. So our solution, meaning how we are going to solve it, as I always say. Then you write the question again. So we have 3 into bracket x plus 1 bracket close is equal to 4 into bracket x plus 1. Easy as ABC. What you do here, we have to expand this, meaning this 3 has to multiply this x, this 3 multiply this 1 as well. This 4 multiplies this x, this 4 multiplies this 1. So let's do that. 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times 1 is a positive. It will give us what? Positive 3. That is 3. Well noted. It's equal to 4 times x will give us 4x. 4 times 1 will give us what? 4, right? It's a positive, right? Good. What do you do here? Now you have to group like terms. And as I always say, usually when you group the variables on the left-hand side and the constant on the right-hand side, it becomes easier. And any which way, you can still get your answer. So let's group the x on the what? The right, on the what? The left-hand side. But what do we have closer? So wait, we have what? Positive 3. What it means is that we are supposed to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. So let's do that. So we have 3x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 4 minus 3. Good. I hope you got that. Good. Now let's continue. We have 3x. 3 minus 3 will give us 0, so just forget about it. So it's equal to, now we have our 4x. Now 4 minus 3 will give us what? Will give us 1. Easy as A, B, C, D, right? Good. Now, we have 3x standing alone here. But when you go to the right-hand side, we have 4x closer to it. Remember, we are saying we are grouping the what? The constants on the right, right? Meaning we are supposed to subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. So let's do that. We have 3x minus 4x will be equal to, you write your 4x minus 4x, then your plus 1. Good. Now, 3x minus 4x, you have 3, you go and 4, you still be owing, right? This integer, but you'll be owing 1. So it's negative x, or one may say negative 1x. Now, I'm writing the 1x for a reason. You will understand. So pay critical attention here. Good. It's equal to 4x minus 4x will give us 0. So just get rid of it. And we have plus 1. That is a positive 1. Good. So we write our what? Positive 1. Good. Now, we have negative 1x is equal to 1. What do we have closer to x? Negative 1. So you have to divide through both sides of the equation by negative 1. Negative 1, because that's what we have closer to x. So let's write the equation again. Negative 1x is equal to 1 divided by negative 1 divided by negative 1. So negative 1 will cancel negative 1. Now 1 will cancel 1, right? Good. So x will still be equal to negative 1 over 1. Now, one thing you have to know is that any number over 1 at all is the same as that number. So with here, you have a negative 1 over 1. It's the same as what? Negative 1. So x will be equal to negative 1. Easy as A, B, C, D. I took my time to go through this process for you to get it so easy. Yes, with here, one may decide to write negative x is equal to 1. It's still correct. But for your understanding, I took my time to break it down. Good. Now, in order to check your answer, as we all know, you go to the equation you were given, the original equation, and fix in negative 1 anywhere you find x. And if the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, then your answer is correct. It's 100%. Good. And as I always say, I can tell you, you can do that now. And the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Good. This brings us to the end of today's edition on Solvemath. Yes, it's been interesting, right? Good. Now, if you did enjoy this lesson, I'll urge you to visit our various social media platforms for more. Yes, on TikTok, we are GEOCAN underscore GEOCAN. Yes, on YouTube, we are GEOCAN TV or GEOCAN Educational Channel. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell so that anytime we upload our videos, instantly you can have it. Okay. You can also visit Facebook. We are GEOCAN TV and GEOCAN Educational Channel, or Solve Math, or Kid Zone, or better still, GEOCAN. All these are platforms you can find us. Yes, if you have any challenges, you can send messages to me, and indeed, I can tell you, I will definitely give you a reply. So we meet again. My name is George Cantrell, and I have love for math. Adios.